Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a kid's profile to your Netflix account. Select add profile here and just enter your kid's name or whatever. Then you're going to enable the kid's profile. Only see kid-friendly TV shows and movies, and you're going to press save. I already made like a kids account here, so when kids open it, as you can see, their homepage is just a lot of family friendly TV shows and movies. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!